Here is, I don't think we need any introduction for him, but still we'll have to do introduction for some people who don't know him very well. It's our own KOA cultural director, Sumit ji. Welcome, Sumit ji. And Sumit ji has been instrumental along with his cultural team in organizing various camp cultural events. He's a singer, songwriter, and a composer, and he has multiple albums and singles, all written and composed by himself, available on major platforms such as Apple, Amazon, Spotify, JioSaavn. Woohoo! And he is affiliated with Shanamo Music Productions in the Bay Area, California. So, and he has also done a lot of live bands and done fundraisers for major non-profits across US, like Akshay Patra, Pukar, etc. So let's give a big hand to Sumiti. Welcome, Sumiti.
Thank you, Nimpi. Thank you so much. Can you guys hear me okay? And it's a hard act to follow. I mean, Vishal just blew it out of the park. I'll sing something. So thank you so much for this opportunity. And what I'm going to sing today, I mean, I always try to do something different, at least attempt. I'm going to sing a medley of my own songs today. And I'll give you a backstory a little briefly. I know it's too late, but that was my first album that we produced exactly a decade ago, 2011. And it's about love songs. I'm gonna do a medley of songs, and the songs are about, there's almost a story behind the songs, wherein anybody who's we are all, we have different age groups here. The youth who are just on the threshold of finding love, where they haven't met the one. And then we have people who've just met the one, they are in that phase of being in love, newly in love. And then there is this people like me, who's like now been there, done that, and now you're you're doing the grind, but at the same time love takes a different meaning. So there's 3 songs. I'm gonna just do one antara each, but there's a storyline behind it. And the album was titled Meet, and I will try and do that. So I'm gonna play it now. I'm gonna go off my vocal and I'm gonna play my track. Nymphy, let me know. Give me a thumbs up when you can see the track, okay? And you can hear the track. Sorry. कहाँ है तू, किधर है तू, जहाँ भी है तू खुश रहे। कहाँ है तू, किधर है तू, जहाँ भी है तू खुश रहे। मैं जानता तो हूँ नहीं तू कैसी है, तू क्या करे। कहाँ है तू, किधर है तू, जहाँ भी है तू खुश रहे। I'm gonna give you life, I'm gonna make you believe. You need to carry on until you reach to me. Shadows of the days you follow on my way. Don't you find me there in the heart that I stay. मैं सोचता हूँ यही हर घड़ी, अगर मिलेगी तो कहीं। मैं सोचता हूँ यही हर घड़ी, अगर मिलेगी तो कहीं। मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं क्या कहूँगा, कैसे मुश्किल में जाना पड़े। कहाँ है तू, किधर है तू, जहाँ भी है तू खुश रहे। मैं जानता तो हूँ नहीं तू कैसी है, तू क्या करे। कहाँ है तू। अच्छी सी
प्यारी लड़की है वो, भोली सी प्यारी लड़की है वो, देखे हैं छुपके उसे, बोले ना कुछ भी है ये, देखे हैं छुपके उसे, बोले ना कुछ भी है ये, अच्छी सी प्यारी लड़की है वो, भोली सी प्यारी लड़की है वो।
This is how it's love. And you never come to know.
आँखों में उसकी चमक, बातों में उसकी खनक, सांसों में उसकी महक, गीतों में उसकी चहक, मीठी सी गुड़ की डली वो, अच्छी सी प्यारी लड़की है वो, भोली सी प्यारी लड़की है वो। तुमसे हम मिले, हमसे तुम सनम, अब चाहे करे कोई कितने सितम, क्या है मंजिलें, क्या है फासले, तय कर लेंगे हम चल के दो कदम। तुमसे हम मिले, हमसे तुम सनम, अब चाहे करे कोई कितने सितम, क्या है मंजिलें, क्या है फासले, तय कर लेंगे हम चल के दो कदम। तुमसे हम मिले। ये जिंदगी हमारी किस ओर जा रही है, ये प्यार की कहानी हमको नचा रही है। ओ, ये जिंदगी हमारी किस ओर जा रही है, ये प्यार की कहानी हमको नचा रही है। तुमसे हम मिले, हमसे तुम सनम, अब चाहे करे कोई कितने सितम, क्या है मंजिलें, क्या है फासले, तय कर लेंगे हम चल के दो कदम।
Awesome job.
Amazing.
Hey, wow, wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful composition, Smriti.
क्या बात है समझ
Gee, that was
ये आपने किया है क्या?
unbelievable, man.
We have to next time do camp close to Amit's place, Sumit's place.
Why, he's going to come anyway, wherever you have the camp.
Oh, I have to come, right? Thank
We
you.
can come to you, Sumit.
Sure, Mara. Sure, sure. Anywhere it is, yeah, we will meet. Thank you so much.
Sumit who has penned the lyrics?
I've done everything. So the music production company, Nymphy.
Sumaji, your volume is a little low suddenly.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Sorry, yeah, that was the music setting. So so I've done the lyrics. I've co-composed it with my Guruji, Praveen Chadaji. He's a renowned Bay Area music composer who has like lots of work. He's done lots of work for indie movies, and he's composed lots of jingles and stuff. So yeah, the music was composed by me and my Guruji together, but the lyrics it's a story. As I said, I've written these songs like over the different years in my life, from different stages, when I was in college, then in job and all. And then finally 2011 is when I put together, shared it with my Guruji, and he said, let's make an album. And you know what? Life has come a full circle. We all did some soul searching last year with COVID. And I thought I should again start composing and start making songs. So I just did that. Some rough stuff, even with with KOA, with Saas Da Awaaz, I just put together stuff. So I'm hoping to do more of this now that I'm getting used to it again.
Very nice, very nice.
Hey, where
And
my other
Sumitji,
hand?
Sumitji, I have to. My daughter is saying she was listening to you,
Okay.
and she said that it's special. Not everyone can compose and sing and write music.
Thank you
She's
so
right.
much.
She's absolutely right.
Absolutely.
Magar
That means a
Rakesh ji,
lot.
I meant to ki bukare chon production to
Supayas knows we have to start a new venture with Sumit. वो मैं अलग से मैं बात करूँगा सुमित जी के साथ.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. Okay, great. So
Thank you,
now,
Sumit ji.
thank you, Ashna ji. Thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank you, everyone. So now I'm going to wear my MC hat back, and I have one more artist, a great artist to welcome. She's a new addition to our, Saas Da Awaaz team, but she's shouldered a lot of weight in the recent years, and she's worn multiple hats. She is our Asuntu Gindun lead too. She's done some great work with the kids activities, and she's also been here, done lots of stuff with us. There's lot. It takes a village to do put together a show, and and I'm talking about Nymphy Vashisht. She's right here. She's gonna sing a song for us. Nymphy ji lives in Pittsburgh with her husband and 2 kids. An engineer by education, but she's an artist at heart. I've seen that side of her. She's a great, passionate singer, and I think she writes too. So welcome, Nymphy. I know we just have one song, but I'm pretty sure you'll do an awesome job. So take it away. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sumitji.
Thank you so much, Nymphy, for the hard work that you have done. I really want to publicly say that behind the scenes, Nymphy has been doing so much work. If it's like Asunta Gindun or in the cultural team helping Sumit ji, and really thanks so much. And now we see. I know that you have sung in the past also, but I can't wait to hear you sing and see another side of Nymphy Vashisht.
Thank you so much, Asnaji. That means a lot. Thank you. Just making sure, Sumitji, is my voice clear? Is it echoing? Am I?
No, it is perfect, Nymphy. Go
Is it
ahead.
perfect? Okay, I'm gonna play my track just in case you're not able to hear it, or just please let me know. Almost there. नहीं ये बातें हैं पुरानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी हरों का इसको किसने खाए तो बहता पानी कैसी कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी ला 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 zu 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 हंसाए और पल में रुलाए कहानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। थामा हारों का इसको किसने, हाय तो बहता पानी। कैसी ओह कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। La 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 la. Zoo 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 zoo. Zoo 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 zoo. आँखों में है सपना नया, आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना। सोनी डगर पे जैसे सोनी ये चाहो सुहानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। थामा हारों का इसको किसने, हाय तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। थामा हारों का इसको किसने, हाय तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. You are a great singer and a performer. I wish we had it live on stage. That was super cool.
Beautiful, Nymphy. Never saw that face of you. Wow.
Wow. Amazing style, Nymphy. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Felt like a star
That-
was performing.
That-
Really
Yeah,
awesome.
that's what we need on the stage,
On the
right?
stage, yeah, she has stage presence. Wonderful.
Very unassuming, really.
Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Nymphy. Awesome. Thanks for the wonderful emceeing and the wonderful song. Thank you. All right. So moving on, I think we are near the end. I do want to kind of we have a few recordings of for some folks who couldn't make it because we had a little bit of a delay in the program. But before I call upon Anilji to play those couple of recordings, and I'm going to introduce those artists as well. I do want to mention Minali. Minali was supposed to sing, but she has a sore throat. But hopefully she'll sing us for us soon. But Minali is she's one of our cultural leads, who's also helped plan a lot for this program. So thank you, Minali. We missed you today, but we'll see you soon. You're singing because you're an amazing singer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So moving on, Anilji, we just have two recordings. We will first play Roshni and Vinti's song. Harmak Boltar Prare Madano, Yi Daphamti Lagyo. They have their own unique take. And I'm so happy that, KOA Youth has chosen that song. I mean, it speaks volumes of, how our culture is, safe and they're carrying forward the, the beacon. So that's awesome. I'm going to say a couple of words about those two young ladies. Roshni Cole is the co-director of KOA Youth. She just graduated from Loyola University, Chicago, and she has completed her Visharad in Hindustani Sangeet, and she's been teaching young kids for a long time. She's been a president of her a cappella team, and she loves to arrange some music too. So we'll hopefully get to see that side of her soon. Vinti Bakshi is, I think she was one of the winners, if I remember correctly, of the KOA Youth Music Competition. She is a senior at Loyola University, and she's also been doing a lot of singing. She has been training in Hindustani classical music since she was 10 years old, and she's been, she's a wonderful singer. I just love her voice. So with that, Anilji, can we play the Roshni and Vinti's song?
Yeah, Sumitji.
Very nice.
That was beautiful.
That was beautiful. And they're in a marriage. They had to like get, kind of come out of the party and
they had to find a spot. Yeah,
they had to find a spot, like private spot, and sing it. That was some effort right there.
That was, and they were planning to do it live, but they couldn't just because.
Yeah, they could because of the timing and stuff. Yeah.
And that was some nice touch with the harmonies, Archana ji. I'm pretty sure everybody noticed. They put a Western spin on it, and that makes it contemporary.
Right.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Vinti.